In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Quip. If you're looking for a simple, reliable way to track tasks inside a document, this method is quick to learn and easy to use. We'll keep things straightforward so you can start organizing your work right away. First, open Quip and go to the document where you want your checklist. This can be an existing document you've been using for notes, a shared project space, or a brand new doc if you prefer a clean slate. The key is to be in the exact place where your checklist belongs so it stays relevant and easy to find later. Now, let's create your first checklist item. Move your cursor to the beginning of a new, empty line. Type a left square bracket, a right square bracket, like this. Open bracket, close bracket. Immediately after that, press the space bar. Quip will automatically convert those brackets into a clickable checkbox. If you don't see the checkbox appear, double-check that you're at the very start of the line, that there are no extra spaces between the brackets, and that you used regular square brackets rather than any other characters. Typing them exactly, then pressing space, is what triggers the conversion. Once the checkbox shows up, start typing the text for your task. For example, you might write, "Prepare report." Keep your task wording clear and actionable so you know exactly what to do when you come back to it. Short, specific phrases work best, like draft introduction, collect data, or review feedback. This makes your checklist easy to scan and keeps you focused on the next action. You can repeat that same pattern whenever you need another item. Begin on a fresh line, type the two brackets, press space to generate the checkbox, and then add your task description. As you build your list, group related items together and use consistent phrasing so everything reads smoothly. If something doesn't convert to a checkbox the first time, simply delete the line and try again, making sure the brackets are the very first characters. Checklists in Quip are great for meeting agendas, daily plans, and project milestones because they live right alongside your notes and documents. The checkbox format gives you a clear visual cue for progress and helps keep everyone aligned without switching tools. That's all you need to create a clean, effective checklist in Quip. Open your document, type the brackets at the start of a new line, press space, and then add your task text. Keep it simple, keep it clear, and let your checklist guide your work.